Hi everyone, and welcome back to Ivy Jade. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. I know I haven't uploaded any videos anytime recently. It's been about a couple of weeks or so, but it was just a little bit crazy and hectic with trying to get ready for the holidays and Christmas shopping, and you know how it is, you guys. That being said, we are now back. It is 2021 and I'm back. So today we're going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing and review video on a foundation that I found off of Instagram. But before we get started, make sure that you subscribe to my channel at that big red button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up and make sure to turn on your post notification bell so you get notified every single time I post a brand new video. So I came across this foundation over Instagram, and every time I was scrolling I just kept seeing these ads for it. I'm sure many of you have seen it or may have tried it, who knows. So this is the box and this is the name of it. It is called IL Makiage. And if you see it on Instagram, a lot of the videos that they show to promote, or on the ads to promote the foundation, say that it is a perfect match. It literally just glides onto your skin. It has great full coverage, and you get this perfect match to your skin tone with about a 90-second quiz. So I decided to give the quiz a shot. Now, you can try before you buy. That is definitely something that I love. The fact that this gave us it gives you a full bottle sample. So you get the full bottle sample and you're paying just for the shipping. It was about $5, and it gives you 14 days to try this foundation. After the 14 days, if you don't like the foundation, you can return it back for free, and then you will not get charged the full price of the bottle, which is $44. If you do like the foundation after trying it, then after the 14-day trial period, they will charge your account the $44. For me personally, I thought that that was a great deal, that I can try a full-size product, especially where it wants you to try it for at least a week or so to see, how it is on your face, how is it for the entire day, the coverage and whatnot. So I think that that was a great deal. So we're gonna try on the product. What I'm thinking of doing is probably do half of my face with the Makiage foundation, and probably the other half of my face using the regular foundation that I use, which is from NARS. So let's get started. Okay guys, so we are going to start the foundation. I already did my eyebrows and I didn't put any lashes on because I did get my lashes done. Now let's try on the foundation. So again, this is the box that it came with. Super cute boxing, and when you open it up, it opens up and it has this cute little pink interior with a little note there, and then it comes with a little note from them, some black little confetti paper. That's pretty cute. And then within you have your foundation, and it comes in this cute little box here. Super cute. And then it also comes with an eyeliner, a black eyeliner. So we will check that out. So the foundation that I was matched for was called I Woke Up Like This. If you could see it. It is number 170. So that's the one that they matched me with. It comes like this in this cute little bottle. The bottle is super cute. I do like that. It is a pump foundation, which I do like. I do like the pump ones. And then the eyeliner that they gave us is this one here. IL Makiage. And it's black. Yeah, it's black. It's a black liquid liner. And this is how it looks like, or this way. This is how it looks like. And let's see what kind of tip it has. Oh, so it has the felt tip, which I actually love the felt tip. I'm sorry if you hear noise in the background. I have quite a few dogs. They're chewing on their bones, but this is felt tip, which I do love. I love how the felt tip, I feel like it gives more precision when it comes to putting on your liner. That's just my personal preference, but I do like that. And it also came with this cute little card, and on the back of it, it has some tips on putting on makeup. And it says over 75% of women get foundation wrong. Get yours right. So what it says is it gives you 6 tips on how to put on your foundation. So step number 1, or tip number 1, is apply 2 pumps of your entire face. Apply 2 pumps to your entire face, jaw, and neckline. Step 2 is to blend it out with a brush or a sponge, not your hands. Step 3, wait 5 minutes for foundation to set before checking the shade. So we will definitely make sure that we wait those 5 minutes to check out how this shade sets into my skin, and if it really does match, and if the hype is really what they say it is. And tip 4, do not match your neck or wrist. They're different. They are a different skin tone than your face. Tip number 5, finish your face with a concealer, blush, and bronzer. And then step 6, it says to wear for a full week to determine if it's perfect for you. So I'm just gonna put, I'm actually only gonna put like 1 pump, because again, I'm only gonna use half of my face. So this is what it looks like. It does look different than my my hand, but it does say not to go by that. So yeah, let's see. So right away I'm noticing that it is very dark compared to my skin tone. It's very tan. I will say that it's very, very tan. It almost gives like a, I sat in the tan, I'm sorry, I can't speak today. It does give a look as though I am, or I was sitting in the sun a little too much and got burnt. So you could see the difference between no foundation here and the maquillage here. And I don't know if it gives you guys such a great look with the lighting, but I'm not sure how I'm feeling it, you guys. Yeah, I'm not sure how this is working right now. I feel like maybe the more I blend it, maybe the more it looks better on me, but I could still see a really harsh line between my skin tone and the foundation, and I feel as though it's definitely a different color than my neck. I mean, it does glide on nicely. I already did put my like I mentioned earlier, I did put my primer on. I used the Pore Perfectionist by or Pore Perfection by Benefit, because again, I get these pores. So this is what it looks like so far, and you can see the difference between the two. And I used a very, very little amount. I didn't use a lot, which I'm glad I didn't, because I probably would look like I had a major, major tan. So this is the foundation that I normally use, and it's by NARS. And this is a semi-matte, and it is in the medium dark 2 Tahoe. You can see that. Tahoe. And I love this one. Now when I put this one next to the one that they gave me, my NARS looks a lot lighter than my Makiage, IL Makiage one. Let's see how this face looks. Again, this is what it looks like up close. I am going to put the one pump of, I'm sorry, that's not my NARS. One pump of my NARS foundation next to the Makiage one so we can see what it looked like. And you can see this one here is the NARS. And this one here is the Makiage. So yeah, there's a bit of a difference there, you guys. So let's see. I prefer using a brush like this with the flat top to put on my foundation. I've always used this type of a brush because I feel like it gets the foundation in a lot better. That's just my preference. What works for you, doll. So let's see if we can get like an up front look. So, I mean, when you look at it up front, it kind of maybe seem as though it kind of blends in. But I do notice that this side of my face looks a lot more kind of orangey, tannish. And then this side of my face kind of still just looks like my face. I did accidentally blend in this way when putting in the other foundation. But, I mean, you can see right here there is still a line. And this is the Makiage one, and this is the NARS. So you still can see the difference between the two. And I mean, close up, I feel as though this one definitely looks more on the orange tone, versus this one kind of just looks like my skin. So yeah, and this one looks a little bit more, it's not as matte as this side is. So I don't know how I feel about that, but I definitely do not like the orange tone. I feel like it's maybe a little too on the orange side. So I don't think it matches well with my neck area. So if you can see that difference, excuse my blemishes. We're on a face skin tone journey, you guys. But I don't really like how it doesn't, I don't know. This side, I feel as though it's not as bad, the transition into it. I mean, I always brush down, but I feel as though it kind of blends better with my face. So I'm going to add just a little bit of some highlighter to it and maybe some under eye concealer just to see if I can get, you know, a better effect. It does say to use this for about a week, but I'm going to be quite honest with you. If the foundation does not look right on me and it makes me look a skin tone that I'm not going to wear it for a week just because I just because I just don't want to go out like that. Okay, so the concealer is done, and again, I am noticing that there is a difference in my face. I mean, now that I'm letting it set, it's been a couple of minutes, it's not looking as orangey, but I mean, I still can see right here, especially, you know, because I put in the concealer around here. I can definitely see the darkness, darker area right here. So it does make it look a little bit more still on the tan, very darker tan side. Whereas this side, where I did put my concealer here, but the rest of the foundation is here, there's really not much of a difference between the foundation and my concealer. So, which I like. So I'm still struggling, you guys. I'm still struggling. And I still feel as though I can see the difference in between my forehead a little bit right here. Yeah, right here looks very dark. Again, I did have 14 days to give it a try, so I'm definitely going to do that. And if I still feel at the end of the 14 days that I'm not a fan of it, I definitely will send it back. And on my lips, per usual, I'm wearing the Elite Doll Boutique Boca Chula. I use that all the time. It is my to-go lip gloss. And yeah, so that is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notification bell so you get notified every single time I post a brand new video. Until next time.